Vivo X90 with triple camera setup launched, details on price, features and more. Vivo has launched its flagship series Vivo X90, X90 Pro and X90 Pro Plus in China on Tuesday. The smartphone was displayed through a live stream event which was hosted on the company's website and social media channels. The series of these smartphones features Zeiss branded cameras and the company's V2 chip for image processing. The vanilla Vivo X90 features a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 processor under the hood. All the three smartphones sport 6.78-inch AMOLED displays with 120Hz refresh rates and pack 32 megapixels selfie camera sensors. Price of Vivo X90. The price of Vivo X90 starts at 3,699 Chinese yuan, approximately 42,000 rupees, for the 8GB RAM with 128GB ROM variant. Whereas the 8GB RAM with 256GB ROM variant comes at a price of 3,999 Chinese yuan, approx 45,000 rupees. While the 12GB RAM with 256GB ROM variant comes at 4,499 Chinese yuan, approx 51,000 rupees, and the high-end variant with 12GB RAM with 512GB ROM is listed at a price of 4,999 Chinese yuan, approx 57,000 rupees. Specifications of Vivo X90. The Vivo X90 is a dual-SIM, nano smartphone which runs on Android 13-based Origino S3. This handset sports a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio, 93.53% screen-to-body ratio and up to 120Hz refresh rate. Vivo X90's display is rated to offer DCI-P3 color gamut coverage. It is powered by an octa-core 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 9200 processor, coupled with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and G715 GPU. For optics, the Vivo X90 houses a triple rear camera setup with a 50MP primary sensor with an f1.75 sensor, a 12MP 50m portrait camera with an f1.98 lens and a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera with an f2.0 lens. For selfies and video calling, the smartphone comes equipped with a 32MP selfie camera sensor with an f2.45 sensor. The handset from Vivo features a 4810 battery with 120W fast charging support. According to the company, the battery can deliver up to 22.2 days of standby time with a single charge.